Oh, Gizmo, we love you. This is our new kitten, Gizmo. Okay, can I finish working? These people need their deals. You're so sweet. Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is Walgreens, and this is almost a table of stuff. Really good day. Two little issues where two little register rewards did not print. If you do not have a very friendly store, or if you're not up to getting in touch with the Catalina company, what might I suggest is to wait till Monday. My $6 one for the Bounty deal did not print, and that little bath kit one, $4 register reward, did not print. That's $10 right there. So if you do not have a friendly store, I would wait till Monday because something is not working correctly. And I did grab the right products, so I don't really know what's up. The weather report, there is none today because look how glistening bright that is. Very sunny day today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope you're enjoying the little Christmas pantomime there. And before I really get into the deals today, I made a video first thing this morning about clearance medication found in the pain relief aisle, specifically with sleep aids and Tylenol, migraine relief, all this fun stuff. Check out that video. I provide UPCs and just basically how a clearance works over at Walgreens. So check that video out if you are interested in that. First deal we're going to talk about, and I did talk about this in my little matchup video on Saturday. It is with the Domino's gift card, and this actually worked out beautifully for me. I grabbed two gift cards for $15 a piece, and then this specific one, it has to be this one with the old-fashioned logo on it, for $5. And basically I only paid for these two, and I got this gift card for free. So a little Merry Christmas to me. And as I was buying this printed out, which is an 8-pack when you spend $35. So when I do deals later this week on Hubby Store Card, I will definitely use this. To show you my basket, guys, I grabbed 4 P&G products, and I was trying to get a $35 basket because I had a spend 35 get back 8, so a very similar booster to this one. And then I also had a digital spend 30 get back 6. So if I spent $35, I would be in business for this. So this is what I grabbed. So 2 of the Tide Free and Gentle, this one with the flowers, and then Mr. Bounty. So purchase 4 of these products, get back a $6 register reward. The register reward did not print for me, so thankfully the very nice manager credited me $6, which was really cool. But anyhow, this is $21 of my basket. And then I grabbed this little trio of products that include the 2 Tresemes for $10 and the toothbrush for $3. So that's $13. Now, if you add up the 13 plus 21, I'm at $34, so I am $1 short. So what I did, guys, was I went to the clearance section. These are 45 cents each. Clearance is always different between store A to store B, but 45 cents each when these products are $4.99. I'll show you the UPC if you want to look at your store. For 45 cents, I purchased 3 of them to get to that dollar price point. Very lucky to find those. So for all of this stuff that include the 2 shampoos, the 1 brush, sorry, we have a cat playing, the 3 clearance Bics, and then the $21 of Bounty and Tide goods, that's a total of $35.35. Okay, so the total was $35.35. I got the cashier to scan the 8-pack when you spend $35, and I had the digital booster also loaded, which was 6-pack when you spend $30. I presented $14 of register rewards, one $2 off of one, and then I had 3 $4 ones from Godiva. Plus digitally, I had a 5 off of 2 for Tresemme, a $1 one for the Bounty, and a $2 one for the Oral-B. What I paid with my debit card was $13.35, and then I got back $14 of Walgreens cash. 8 for the first booster, 6 for the second booster, so that's $14. And if you think about, I had $14 of register rewards from 1 to the second to make the register rewards into Walgreens cash. I think that's super smart if you have those boosters. And then I got back 1 $5 store register reward for the Tresemme and the Oral-B toothbrush, but the $6 register reward for Bounty and Tide did not print, so the very wonderful manager gave me the Walgreens cash in lieu. So if you look at what I put into this, even without the $14 of register rewards, it's still $2.35 if you have both of those boosters with this deal, which is really fantastic for 10 items. So I'm very happy about that. First thing this morning, I saw this deal and I thought it would be really fantastic because we have a BOGO free coupon on these specific Lysol wipes. But to my surprise, I didn't get the whole $4.99 off of this. I only got $3.75 off of this. So I don't understand what that's really about. The same coupon is also on coupons.com. I just grabbed 2 to try out the deal, but I think I'm done after grabbing just the 2. But what I did, guys, these are $4.99 each. So that's $9.98 for the 2, and then we have a BOGO free, although only $3.75 is coming off, so go figure that one out. And then I grabbed 2 of the Christmas Dr. Teals kits, and I thought this would be part of it because I think it was part of the flyer, but who really knows? Perhaps because this is the sleeping melatonin one that it's not part of it. I don't know. If you did buy the $5 Dr. Teals, please let me know in the comments if that $4 store register reward printed. You're supposed to buy 2 of these and get a $4 store register reward, but it did not happen for me. But again, a very nice manager just gave me the $4 of Walgreens cash because she is so nice. So all of this, guys, is a total $9.98 for this and then $10 for this. So that's $19.98. I used a $5 store register reward, and then I had $3.75 off of this. So I used $10 of Walgreens cash, and I should have gotten a $4 store register reward for this. It didn't print. So I just got comped $4 of Walgreens cash. Still not the worst deal, and these are gonna make really nice little Christmas gifts. So the next store that we have is Kohl's, and today a mass email came out from Kohl's saying that, you know, there's a mystery coupon and you can get up to 40% off. I got the 40% off mystery coupon, and it happens every once in a blue moon, but I wanted to use it today. So this beautiful crock pot, and it is a 7-quart crock pot, so it can feed a lot of people. My husband and I are doing keto, and when you're making a roast or whatever, you don't want to just get one in the most itty bitty crock pot. You want to make a substantial piece of meat, so you know you can have it for a couple of days. I don't know if you're a lazy cook like me. But the last crock pot that we had, it just wasn't cutting it. It was just like, you know, you couldn't put very much in it. And I think I burned out one of the elements too. So this guy is $59.99. That is a sales price for this crock pot. And it comes like with these lids and stuff. You can travel the world with it. And with 40% off, that's an extra $23.99 off. So it's $36 after everything is said and done. Now, the beginning of the month, Kohl's sent out mass emails as part of a Christmas promotion to give people with pre-existing Kohl's account an extra $10 off. So I stacked that as well. So this was like $26 after that. So that was really fantastic. really fantastic. So if you are not an avid Kohl's shopper, go through your account and see if you might have that $10 email. And if you're not going to use it, send it to me. I would love to have it. Send it on Instagram or email or whatever if you were not much of a Kohl's shopper, but you got it. But look through your email account because you might have it and you might have $10 and you have to use it or lose it. And I'm sorry about the noise, guys. Just the kitten's very, very playful. Hey, you got to stop. Okay, I think I might confiscate this for a minute. Sorry, buddy. It'll be back in a second, okay? I promise. Okay. The store that we have is Walmart. This liquid finish is $3.64. We have a $1 coupon from a recent insert. You'll pay $2.64, get $1 back from IBOTTA, making it $1.64. And the Quantum is $3.77. $2 coupon from the same insert. You'll pay $1.77 out of pocket. IBOTTA is giving back a very generous $1.50, making it 27 cents. Check your IBOTTA accounts if those rebates are still there, because I know that they were expiring in a couple of days, so you don't want to buy something if the rebate is no longer there. So just double, triple check. So are you still here? Well, if you're still here, here's a giveaway for you. We're going to be giving away one of these $15 Domino's gift cards. How to enter is you got to be a subscriber to the channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from and your favorite kind of pizza. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio, Hawaiian pizza. That's my favorite. The winner will be picked on the 15th, which is Wednesday. Only one winner, and I wish you guys good luck. And if you think about it, we're about a week away from Christmas. It is getting so close. So I might be giving away more Domino's gift cards in the spirit of the holidays. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.